English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 22.
Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Running late.
Planner.
Diary. Calendar. Appointment. Agenda. Invitation. To invite someone. To accept an invitation. To decline an invitation. Boardroom. Conference room. Meeting room. Reception. To book a meeting room. To chair a meeting. To attend a meeting. To miss a meeting. Office. Cafe. Restaurant. Refreshments.
I'm afraid I'm busy today. To be busy. 10 a.m. is good for me. See you then. Good for me. Yes, I am free on Wednesday and Thursday this week. To be free. Yes, the cafe suits me. To suit someone. I can't make the meeting on Monday. I will reschedule it for Tuesday. To reschedule. 2 p.m. is fine. I look forward to meeting you then. To look forward to. I'm really busy this morning. Can we postpone the meeting? To postpone. I won't be at the meeting. Something unexpected has come up. To come up. I'm afraid I have to cancel the team meeting on Friday. To cancel. Apologies, but I'm unable to attend due to other commitments. To be unable to attend.
End of Lesson 22.